it's a great event, it's great networking for your teams, you're going to meet new people, you can collaborate, meet new sponsors and find out new innovations of products that are available to us all.
Hold up!
I think it's a great opportunity to come, not just to see new technology and new products, but also from a networking point of view. It's great to make new connections, and yeah, there's a lot of value in education to be had here too.
Yeah, so this is my third year in a row now, and honestly the reason I keep coming back is because this is an amazing atmosphere, amazing place to be. It's literally an in-house opportunity to get to know all the different companies, have access to all the delegates that get here.
I would love to encourage people to come along to the BDIA and these shows because it's all about connecting with your peers. It's about seeing people you haven't seen for a long time, meeting new people, learning and expanding your horizons, understanding about innovation that is happening in the dental sector, and it's moving at such a pace. If you're not here, you're missing out.